Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. We're gonna go right into this. If you are interested on what I purchased at McGrath, keep watching. All right, now the first item I purchased at McGrath, she had a sale a couple of weeks ago. I wanna say last month, I wanna say in the month of April. And the shipment came, so this is a delay video. But I purchased like 3 items from the from her store. Now, McGrath Labs has been around here for a while. She's very famous for her eyeshadow palettes. You can go on her website at McGrath Labs, or you can purchase the items at Sephora.com. Well, I purchased these directly from her website because they were having a wonderful sale, I think 30% off on each individual item. So I kind of took an opportunity to purchase items from her. Now, I love her eyeliner. Her eyeliner is like the bomb.com, and that is exactly what I'm wearing right now. I should have got it from my stash, but we're not talking about that. But if you're curious on finding out what I use for her eyeliner, just inbox me below, and I'll probably put it in the description box. Now, the first item we're going to go over is going to be her Skin Finish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder. And it is 5 grams and it is $55. Yes, $55. It's pretty much the price of a Chanel, like seriously. And this is the second to the deepest. This is a medium deep, number 4. So this actually goes with my skin tone. I have a lot of red undertones, but not red to the point where I look orange, but I just have a lot of redness undertones. So this is $55, and this is her signature packaging. Sorry about the makeup on the top. That's just what it is. All right, let's get into it. Now, this is the container. And like I said, this is medium deep. So this is number 4. Now the last one, number 5, whoa, that's really deep. That's for my really chocolate, beautiful skin. Beautiful, not beautiful, beautiful skin tones. And this is what it looks like. So, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like. I'm gonna do a little swatch. I'm gonna take the lid and kind of go ahead and do it right here. So that's what it is. It's very translucent. It's very fine. It really basically disappears. So so that's it. So $55. I've used it a few times. I really have it on right now on my face with a big old fluffy brush, and I just basically just powder the whole face as a finishing. It's very soft. It's not silky, but it's very soft. And sometimes I use it by itself to just put on my Tarte poreless, and then I just walk out the door if I want to have like a light look. Like right now, I don't have any foundation on. I have a little concealer and a little contouring around the perimeter with AJ Crimson. And then, of course, I contoured with my Becca medium dark or deep dark. And then, of course, I highlighted with the next item that I'm going to talk to you about from McGrath Labs. And this one, it comes in a packaging like this. And this is the McGrath Skin Finish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. Now, I've tried this several times, and this is the color Deep. And when the ladies on Instagram talking about it's light, it is really light. Like, this is the color. And this retails for $30 on her website. And I think the same thing goes for Sephora.com. So this is the color. I'm gonna go ahead and there it goes. So that is the color. Now, it says under eye. Like, I have it on right now, and it is not going to brighten up your face. Like, I would seriously use like a yellow or whatever you use to brighten up your face, but this is not something you will brighten. It gives you a nice soft blur, just like it says, like literally a nice soft look. So if you're looking for that Instagram look and you about to kill the night with it, this ain't it. Like, this is like what I have on right now, like a very soft, subtle look. And I just basically patted the areas of my face where I contoured with, and that's about it. So this is it. I've used this probably maybe 4 or 5 times, and it's nice. I mean, if you want to get that highlight look, I would use like a yellow undertone, like maybe a bakery powder or Sasha Buttercup or whatever you used to, but this ain't it. This is like more of a soft glam look. if you want to go out and just have that natural light hit your face like it's doing right now with my ring light. And this is basically what it looks like. All right, and this is $30. The next item I purchased from Pat McGrath, and this is the last item, is going to be the Skin Finish Sublime Concealer Corrector. And this is what it comes in. All right, it says weightless, full cover, high performance, runway tested, mother approved. Now she's known for the mother of makeup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And be aware that this is made out of glass, and the retail price for this is $30. Like seriously, $30. Okay. Yeah, my hands are dry. All right, $30. Okay. And it's made out of glass. I almost broke this one time. I didn't realize, and I have tile on the floor, so I tell people be careful. But this one is a unique. Like finding my color on her website was very difficult, and I think it took somebody who's pretty much my same complexion to actually give me an idea. I've been through a lot of YouTube watches or channels or whatever. So there's one particular individual, I can't place her name in my head right now, it's gone. She is pretty much my complexion, and when she did this, it basically highlight. Now I have several highlights, concealers, which I've brought with me so you can see the difference. Now I'm gonna do swatches. I have my Kat Von D, okay, concealer, and this is number D37. I have my Smashbox, and this is medium dark with warm golden. And then I have my Old Faithful, which is NARS. This is Amande. Yeah, medium dark, number 3 Amande. Okay, so you'll see. And then of course, I can't forget my Juvia's Place in number 9 and Juvia's Place number 10. Yeah, it is serious. Like I've been on the hunt for a good concealer, but so it's usually some of them are good. Like those I have are really good depending on what I'm doing with my face. So right now I have AJ Crimson on. To be honestly, I have AJ Crimson's 4.5 concealer. Love his work. I was a model for him years back in Birmingham when he came and did his classes. So I had the privilege of having famous makeup artists do my face. And I think I'm still on his website, like for, you know, backflashes of past things he's done. So I appreciate that. So that's one of my highlights of my moments. But let's go ahead and get to this. So I'm going to do the swatches on my hand right now. So the first one you're going to see is going to be Pat McGrath. Okay, so that's Pat McGrath. All right, I don't know if that's going to help you guys. All right, so that's Pat right there. And I don't know, I'm not a person to say, you know, what undertones. It says it's neutral on the website. Like seriously, it says it's neutral. And then the second one we're going to do is beside it. We're going to do Smashbox. And it's pretty much dead on. But I want to say Pat McGrath, that's that one. Pat McGrath is very smooth. A little bit, all you need is a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. Like literally just take your beauty blender or your brush and just blend it, and it just blends so smoothly and effortlessly. So this one is the Smashbox in the color medium dark warm golden. Okay, so it's not too off. You can tell it's a little bit darker. This is the Pat McGrath. Sorry about the way I did my swatch. The next one is the Kat Von D, and this is D7 warm. And this one is a lock it and seal it kind of thing. Hers is really like, it's really thick. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right beside it, okay? All right. And even though they look alike, they all have their different hues inside of them. All right, and right next to it is, and I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. Okay, and that is the Kat Von D. So it's a little bit redder. Okay, make sure. Hit it at different angles. All right, the next one is gonna be my Old Faithful NARS. NARS. All right, NARS. All right, and we're gonna put it right next to it. Now NARS, I'm running out of NARS a little bit, so NARS is on the back order for me to reorder another one again. All right, and that's NARS. NARS is a little bit lighter. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, The next item we're gonna do, Juvia's Place is number 9. Juvia's Place, and this is number 9. There you go, number 9. All right. I love their applicator. It's so smooth. All right, and then we're gonna do number 9 right there. All right. Out of all of them, this is the lightest one. It's really light. I know you guys can't tell, but this is like really super duper light. Like out of all of them, it's pretty much close to McGrath's, like literally very light. All right. And then the last one, I would use this as like a super highlighter if I want to get that extra. This is a number 10. This is from Juvia's Place. And this is like super light. Like super duper light. As you can see, this is the color range. So we have number 10 right here from Juvia's Place. We have number 9 from Juvia's Place. We have Amande from NARS. We have Kat Von D's right here. And then we have Smashbox in the middle. And then we have Pat McGrath's Sublime Finish Corrector. So that's her line. All right, so that basically goes for the concealers. And I mean, I like it. It's like, you know, you're always trying to find the right concealer, and some of them be hit and misses, but you know, you always have to play with them, and different makeups give you different looks. So I'm always, if you have any suggestions on what concealer I can purchase that actually goes with my skin tone, is very much appreciated. I'm always looking for new things. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit your notification bell every time I upload a video. And thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.